How to use voices.com for beginners. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to voices.com, and then the next step is to simply create your free account. Now, as you can see, this is a marketplace for voiceover. So you can find the talent. So if you want to hire someone that does voiceovers, you can do that. Now, if you want, you can also work as a voiceover artist. So you can simply click on find work. Now, as you can see, if you click on that, you're gonna have to sign up. Now, simply enter your full name, your work email, and here where it says I want to, you have to choose between hire for a project or find work as a talent. After you do that, what you're gonna have to do is simply check this box and click on sign up now, and that's it. Then you're gonna see a lot of offers if you want, of course, to get a job as a voiceover artist, and if you want to hire someone, you're gonna see different voiceovers artists, and you can take a look at their work. So if you scroll down, as you can see here, you have a few examples. So as you can see, this guy earn $600 for a television ad, this for a radio ad, as you can see, $400, and for an audiobook, $350. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.